Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this section, we will start implementing Ajax in our web application by making our first Ajax request. We will fetch the data from the server and update our web page dynamically without reloading the entire page. To begin, open your preferred code editor and create a new JavaScript file and name it script.js, whatever you want. You can use VS Code, WebStorm, whatever you want. In this section, I will use a code sandbox. It's really comfortable for this kind of videos. Okay, so let's do request using the fetch method, and we'll see how the fetch method works. And it's supported by many browsers. You can use also third libraries like Ajax. We did a fetch to our mock data API and got some data and just displayed it. So let's write our custom fetch method, and let's understand how this fetch works underneath the hood. This fetch method. Okay, so let's implement our custom fetch function. Let's create a variable. We will create a new XML HTTP request object using new XML HTTP request constructor function, which is supported by all major web browsers. Okay, so let me explain what we did here. We created a new XML HTTP request object using XML HTTP request constructor function, and we defined on ready state change event handlers, which will be triggered whenever the state of Ajax request changes. Inside of our event handler, we check if our request's ready state, which means the request is complete. The status is in 200s, which means request is successful. We do resolve our promise and resolving our response target. Otherwise, we do reject and we pass an error status tag. Here also we do the event which will reject and will pass our error. And here we send our body. Let's use it. Our custom fetch method here to see if it works or not. Okay, here we'll pass more arguments here. We will pass our URL, our method get. So we'll do a get request, our headers, and our body. So we have nothing, so we'll pass a null. Okay, then we are going to, let's just console log our response. Let's comment. Okay, see, we get our response. Okay, let's return it to our promise. And then let's okay, here you see we got our data. Again, I will not suggest you to do that. There's a fetch, there's an access, you can use that. But it's good to know how they work underneath the hood. And in interviews, sometimes they ask you about Ajax, HTTPs, how to interact with the server, and it will be really good for you to know. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.